Hello, Lions. This is your World Geo One-Pager Review Video Helper. You're going to go to readylibrary.com. Let's see if I can move this up. Hold on. Right there. readylibrary.com. You're going to scroll down until you see the World Geography One-Pager Review. Click on that. When you click on that, this video helper will be linked here and embedded down here. You're going to click on the click here to open the Mac and VIA group for this assignment. Here is your assignment sheet and rubric for this project. Your Mac and VIA group is linked here. I'll go over this in a minute, and both of this video helper will be linked here, and then I'll go over this in a minute. So these are the things that you are looking for. You'll notice one of the first things you need is an outline map of your specific country. So this video helper right here that says for country outline will review this process. But what you're going to do is in your Mac and VIA group, you're going to go to Culturegrams. And you're going to wait for it to load. And you're going to, you can also just search for your country up here. So let's say that my country is Mexico. I'm going to click on that. Culturegrams Edition Mexico. I'm going to click on that first one because this is the overall thing about Mexico. You can use any of the information in this for research as well, but for the map, you're going to come over here to map. You're going to select the outline, and then what you can do is you can download this PDF to your Chromebook or your computer or whatever, and then you can print it out if you need to, or you can just look at it on the screen to draw your outline or whatever you're going to do, but this is what you can use for that. If you're going to use any of this, like if you're going to use the population information or whatever, for this assignment, you guys are going to be using APA citation. So you're just going to click on this Generate APA Citation, and you're going to copy this citation. And whenever you copy it, you are going to come over here to your Mac and VIA, or sorry, to your assignment sheet. Actually, I'll put the template link there too. But if you click on this link right here, it's going to tell you, it's going to show you a preview of this document. Yes, you want to use the template. You want to create a template of this. And then up here you can put in your period, last name, your country, and then leave references and then take out the example. And then right here you're going to paste in that citation right there, okay? You can delete out this box when you get to the end and put all your citations in. You can delete out the sample citation, but this is what it should look like, okay? So at the end of the project, you're going to print this out and you're going to glue it onto your giant one-pager as the source for your references. So you can use any of these. That's from Culturegrams. All right, so we just talked about your references template, and we talked about your outline, and I showed you how to use Culturegrams. So now I'm going to show you a couple of these other sources. So if you want to use Britannica School, put in your country. Boom. I'm going to click on Mexico, and then here you'll notice there's all kinds of information. So to cite this source, I go to Cite, I choose APA, I copy and paste, not all that, just this right here, and I'm going to put this into my references right here. Alright, and so after Britannica School, you can use the ABC Clio World Edition here. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put in my country. Okay, and so there's a bunch of different types of sources in this one. So there's reference articles, facts and figures. Depending on what you want to use, there's maps, flags, all kinds of stuff. So I'm just going to click on this facts and figures, and then I'm going to click filter. Let's see. So I'm gonna click out of this filter back, and I'm gonna go to this Mexico article right here. So let's say I want to use this article. I'm gonna go to Cite, and then I'm going to choose my APA citation here. I'm gonna copy and paste this into my references doc. Boom. And so now I have that source in there. So that's ABC Clio World Geography. All right, what do we have left? Oh, and then there's a couple of ebooks in here. So capital cities around the world, geography terms, blah, blah, blah. So if I wanted to use this one, I would click on the I would click Cite, and then I would grab this APA citation and throw this onto my references page if I wanted to use any of the information from this. What you'll want to do before you print this and slap it onto your one-pager is you want to put your references in order, delete the example out in alphabetical order by the first word here, and then delete out this box, and then put this on your one-pager for references, okay? If you guys have any questions throughout the course of this project, this video helper will also be in here as well. Please feel free to email me, lambertin@friscoisd.org, or you can come see me in the library anytime. Oh, hang on, I'll be right with you. And good luck, Lions.